Hey guys, welcome back to the Curtis Cam. Been busy this afternoon for the last couple of hours. We've just about finished putting on the sticker kit. Curtis Dad is just finishing putting on the radiator shroud part. But it's definitely looking really good. I've actually done the fork protectors, done the front guard, front plate. Curtis Dad has done the rest. Not sure if we're going to do the fuel and the air filter decals at the moment, but we'll see how we go. We'll probably do that a bit later. We've got to remove it, don't we?
We've got to treat the tank a bit.
Yep.
Send it back a touch.
Yep. So yeah, it's looking really good now. Definitely looks like a girl's bike now. Let's just get around here and have another look from this angle. It's a bit dark in here, but anyway.
As you can see, it makes a big difference.
Yeah, it sure does. Not easy.
Curtis Mods. If you want your sticker kit put on professionally, comment below.
It's Curtis
you must
Dad's
bring the bike to us. Costs $50.
50? 50 times 3.
Well, yeah, we haven't started that business.
Yeah, but we're definitely getting better at, Curtis Dad's getting better at putting these on. He's done really well. No bubbles or anything. This is his bike here. So yeah, I can smell something too. Something burning or something, I don't know. But anyway guys, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let us know which bike you like better, which one you reckon looks better. Curtis Mum's with a pink on it, or Curtis Dad's with a blue and white.
If you're a girl, you like pink. If you're a boy,
well, boys can use pink as well.
Yep.
Alright guys, we're off to get the boys from school. So yeah, Curtis Cam out.